Well, hello and welcome back to Poshcats Camping, and it's Friday the 30th of July 2021, and we left you on a cliffhanger. We said that we would tell you about our van, and that's what we're going to do. In fact, it's a bit windy outside, so we've come inside. This is the inside of our new van, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're all wondering what we've bought and what we've changed to. Well, you can see it's not a tent or a trailer tent, and is it a motorhome? Is it a camper van? Or is it something in between, a van conversion? Here's a few pictures that we took yesterday when it wasn't quite so windy, with little Ethel as well.
We'd like to say thank you very much for your lovely comments on our little video by Bertie, and we can't wait to show you our new motorhome.
Yeah, we'll be doing that in the coming weeks. We'll show you everything that's in the van and outside the van, and the reasons why we chose it, and how we're getting along. So we've got lots of trips planned. In the meantime, I'm going to show you a video now of when we visited IH Motorhomes for the first time, and we had a look round. We call our van Smurf, and we had a look round Smurf when he was sort of part built and was work in progress, and so that's coming up now. So we'll be back with you again next week, and until then we'll say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye for now. Well, good morning. It's 6 AM. Yes, 6 AM. Poshcats don't have 6 AM, but today we do. It's an exciting day. We're off on another tour to Derbyshire, but we're making a stop on the way. We're going to see a motorhome. So we've arrived at Knottingley, haven't we?
Yes.
Sun in your eyes?
A little bit.
Turn this way a bit then. So where are we, babe?
We're IH.
At IH, yeah. And what have we found?
Smurf.
Smurf.
Thank you, Pip, for the suggestion for the name.
Let's get the sun out of your eyes, and then we can do a little bit more. So we're having a sneaky peek, aren't we?
Yeah.
And a sneaky peek of Smurf.
Yep.
Our new van, and it's work in progress. So we've just come up to talk with Tiggy and Nicola, Lester and the team here at IH Motorhomes. We've come to talk to them about the finishing off of the van and the little extras that we might need before we take delivery of it, aren't we?
And we're looking to see where we're going to store things.
Yeah, that's the trick. So we're downsizing, and everything is going to have a new home.
But it has got a tow hitch, so we can still tow Ethel if we need to.
Yeah, still got a tow hitch on the back as well, and lots of features that we'll tell you about as we go along. But we're going to have quick look around. We'll take you for a quick look and so you can see what the van is like, and then when we take delivery of the van, we'll do a proper tour, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're so excited. Let's have a look. So there's Smurf, our new van. So we're chit-chatting away in here about where things are going to go, and Sheila and Joe are with us, and we're getting all sorts of interesting ideas.
The food will have to go in here, won't it?
See, I'll show you some of the seats and you know, all the stuff. The a little square of carpet as a sample, and that's the colour we're going to go for. All the floors will be carpeted out shortly. Got a little flappy table here, haven't we, Joe? We'll try it. Yeah, perfect.
Point a bit, please.
Point a bit. I'll have a lager.
This one, the dog cupboard.
So you got the habitation door just there, and here's the kitchen. So we're running a.
What are these lights? Are they true for you?
Yep. So you got your sink there with your tap, and your 2 gas and 1 induction, and then your fridge below, which is there. And then we've got the silver grey colour inserts on the drawers, and they're all soft close. I'll let Sue show you the rest.
I'm deciding what I'm going to put in the cupboards.
Are you?
I thought this would be the dog cupboard.
Oh,
Putting all
okay.
the dog stuff in.
Yeah, I was going to have that for my camera.
No, you've got a cupboard down the front there, you can put that in.
Oh, I was going to put that in the dogs.
That's my dog cupboard, and opposite I thought we'd have food.
Yeah.
And this one will have to be the...
Look at that. Lovely.
Oh, this will be the tea bags and things, won't it?
Yeah, got to
that
be
we've
in
got
it.
in the cupboard under the sink, and then we've got cups, plates and stuff going to have to go in another one.
Love the ceilings.
And then we've got...
They're great.
This is the huge cupboard, isn't it? Bedding's going in there, isn't it?
Down the bottom of the van here, yeah. Oops.
And towels and things. It's a
Yeah.
really big cupboard.
Yep.
And then we've got these other cupboards here.
Yeah, lovely.
They go back quite a long way, don't they?
Lovely.
I reckon that will take me a day to sort it. Well, we'll put everything. And we've got loads of storage underneath a bit. Under here.
Seats. Now the seats have still got plastic on.
Well,
So
under here is quite a lot of storage under there.
a load of storage
we've
under there,
discovered.
yeah. The whole bench.
So we'll put stuff under there.
Yeah. And you can have that as a single, or 2 singles, or a double, can't you?
Yeah. And then this side we've got storage under here, haven't we?
Shut this door and you can see a little bit better. Oh yeah. We've got under there.
Storage under here.
Oh,
as
there's
well.
your boiler. And some more storage that end.
Storage there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Lovely.
And you've got your television cupboard.
Yeah.
Italian. Electrics, dimmer switches.
Yeah.
These dim, don't they?
Yep.
One here. One behind you, isn't there?
So there's 2 of them, yeah?
Yeah. And we've got these windows all the way round.
And these have got windy handles, haven't they, sir?
When we're sitting here, we can look all around us, can't we?
We can.
Wherever you look, there's windows.
So we open the doors to the washroom, and there's 2 doors. Yeah.
This is the compromise.
Little compromise compared with ours, but still a good sized washroom.
Yeah, and we've got storage in here as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
We'll put my laundry bag there and then cleaning products at the bottom.
Yeah.
We don't want to, we're just going to hold the shower, aren't we?
Shower, yeah.
And then we've got another cupboard up here for the toilet. We can put the toiletries in there. Yep. And we're going to put some sort of hanger in here to put the
We got up here.
towels. Got a little fan.
And a light, yeah.
And the light switch is here.
Oh yeah.
And there'll be a curtain, won't there?
There will be a shower curtain. There's 2 windows. There's one there and one there. And then this side you got your Thetford electric toilet and the shower tray in the centre, which has currently got a bit of carpet in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we are. Yeah.
But it does open it up with the doors both open, doesn't it?
Yeah. And the nice thing is about the 2 doors makes it easy access.
Quite substantial, aren't they?
Yeah. And they're soft close, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. What you got there then?
This is the oven. It's nice and easy. All you've got to do is press a button. There's a grill in it as well, so there's a combi.
Yep.
So that's handy, isn't it?
Very good.
It's good size.
Still do our
we never used a
roasties.
separate grill on our. Is that gas? Yes, gas.
So you got the fridge there?
Yeah. And the freezer's not a bad. I don't think that's a bad size. I think you can get a fair amount in there.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, we've been spoilt in the fridge freezer we've got now, but we've got a lot of waste of space in our fridge, haven't we?
Yeah,
And
it's
you've got to
huge,
keep
isn't
it cool, haven't you?
Yeah.
So this is the front area, which is nice because it's a separate area, isn't it? So
Yeah.
you can stay up this end if I want to go to bed.
Yeah.
So, and it's quite open. It doesn't feel enclosed, does it?
No.
So this is the electric cupboard. So I'm sure you could squeeze something in there.
I'm sure I could. I can utilise that space. Yeah.
And then there's another cupboard here. Got to work out what we're going to put in here.
Yep.
Right, it's
And
quite handy.
the electrics above.
You might need outside.
All the bits and pieces about the
Yeah.
water and.
And then this goes back a long way. Well, perhaps I can put my kettle and toaster and stuff.
Oh, yeah. I think that's the TV
The
bracket.
storage up here. That's like the cupboard we've got above the fridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that would probably
Yeah.
all the stuff in there would probably fit in there.
Yeah. That's the TV bracket, so they'll obviously put that in
Either
the cupboard.
that or
That'll go in the.
clothes.
Yeah.
You wanted clothes to be in above the
Yeah.
wardrobe. That's the other option. Look. So that's more generous than I thought.
Yeah. And that's got a
hanging
rail
rail.
in. That's
So
got
you've
hanging.
got coats in there and some hanging things, can't you?
Yeah.
So maybe this would lend yourself to putting clothes in.
Yeah.
I don't know. it seems
But then
like a
you've got all that
waste.
space down the other end.
Yeah, I think it might be stuff that you don't need to hang. That's a bit of a waste of a nice cupboard, isn't it? You could
Yeah.
probably shove it down that end. couldn't
Yeah.
you?
Nice mirror.
So there's quite a lot. There's quite a lot of storage space,
got a
isn't there?
lot.
When you look
Yeah,
at the
yeah.
storage space underneath the benches.
You'll
And
find
the
you'll shrink
cupboards.
it down now, so you don't even
Yeah.
need to shrink it down.
I think I've managed to find a place for most things.
Yeah.
Food cupboard. What's
Wait,
going
no,
on? Food
you know,
cupboard.
this back bit on here, it's there for a reason, because when you sit back, usually this chair finish there, that's really nice.
Yeah, that gives you a little bit of extra. So the table will go there, won't it? So you've got access. If you want to get anything out from under here,
Yeah.
in the lounge area, there's a little, you look under here, there's a door.
Yeah.
Just
There's a little door, yeah,
If
yeah.
you want to access, you have to be mindful of whatever you put there. There's something you might want to access from inside.
Yeah, we're near the road, so we're having a job to hear you, babe.
There's
But
enough storage for our chairs,
Yeah.
outside table.
yeah, so look, it's a big boot space.